and already. Okay,
Thank you,
next.
sir.
Some walls are single skin wall. There are one brick thick. Stronger wall are double skin. There are two brick thick. To calculate the
Sir,
number. Yes.
our next class is PE. Can stay, if like there's no class for PE.
Okay, sure. To
Okay.
calculate the number of bricks that require to skin, the following formula use. The length and the height of the wall are multiplied together. B9 equal to B look up so type of brick chosen. Okay, look up from here and then look up from here and then we are looking for number 2 column false false. Is MA because we don't know what is here yet. We haven't insert the code. Okay, some malls are single. Okay. All these are two brick stick. To calculate the number of brick that will require a single. Okay, so equal okay, I will put something like this. The skin wall and the height of the wall together. Okay, and divided of the face area. Okay, divided of the chosen. Okay, comma table is this. Comma, oops. Uh, this one, comma, oh, you look up, comma, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. Okay, oops. Okay, Okay. Then twice as many weeks are needed for a double skin wall. Okay. Double skin wall 2 times this one. Okay. Let's see if I use C, get 0. If I use H, number 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, base area. Oh, because we don't know the length yet. Okay, okay. No wonder. Okay. So single, this is double. So for both double and single, an extra 10% is always added. Some brick will be damaged. So here 10% plus 50 bricks. Okay. 50. So equal this one, uh, 1.1 times, okay, and then 50 plus bracket and ms already, okay. So this is the answer, and then this one is double up, so times 2. Enter a formula of B11. So how much you need? Okay, so equal if this one uh, equal angle, okay, you do something, double you do something, okay. So if single, you apply this formula. Okay, and then if double, you apply this formula. Okay, so it at least have 50 already.
So what's the difference of the formula between the single and the double?
Double has times 2. Double
Oh,
up.
you cannot just straight away times 2 the single.
How you times 2 for the single?
So you
Because
just
the formula is over here. You
oh,
cannot unless you hide somewhere here and then you put the formula, but
oh,
the
isn't the 2 times outside? Oh, so the 2 times is inside the, not including the 50 lah. So the 2 times.
not including the 50.
Okay, got it.
Okay, then save and print the formula spreadsheet. Okay, done. So data formula, show formula. So this is the answer. This is the answer. Then create out to the brick. Okay. Close formula. Okay, go back. Now the brick is B. Okay, and then it's 400 centimeter. And then 60. Okay, how do I know it's single or double? Okay, and then this one, not yet finished actually. You need to round up. Okay, round up, comma, 0. Um, how do I know whether it's single or double? Did I miss anything? Okay, how does make sure? It doesn't show whether it's single or double screen. Okay, change it to double screen. Okay, 50 centimeters in the spreadsheet show. Okay, layout 3.
So for the first printout, we don't need to, we cannot have anything in like those columns before, just showing the formula lah.
Yeah.
First printout.
Yes, just show formula.
The first printout, like we cannot have any actual values inside, right?
You can put actual value as long as your formula is there.
Okay.
Yeah. So if I don't put in, then you don't have the single or double. Single 208, double 365. Okay. So this is how it looks like. Okay. Then I close the recording, stop the recording.